Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Rakuten, a popular online shopping platform that offers cashback rewards and discounts on a wide range of products. To get started, go to the Rakuten website and click on the Join Now button to create an account. Enter your email address, password, and other required information to complete the registration process. Once you have created your account, log in to the Rakuten website and browse through the various categories and stores available. You can search for specific products or browse through the different departments, such as electronics, clothing, or home goods. When you find a product you like, click on it to go to the product page. On the product page, you will see the price of the product, as well as any available discounts or cashback offers. To earn cashback, simply click on the Shop Now button to go to the store's website and make your purchase. Rakuten will track your purchase and credit your account with the cashback amount. To maximize your cashback earnings, make sure to always log in to your Rakuten account before making a purchase. You can also use the Rakuten browser extension to automatically apply cashback offers and coupons to your purchases. Additionally, be sure to check the Rakuten website regularly for special promotions and deals that can help you earn even more cashback. Rakuten also offers a referral program that allows you to earn cashback for referring friends and family to the platform. Simply share your unique referral link with others and earn a cashback bonus for each person who joins and makes a purchase. To track your cashback earnings and account activity, log into your Rakuten account and go to the My Account section. Here you can view your cashback balance, as well as any pending or available cashback amounts. You can also use this section to update your account information and payment preferences. Finally, to receive your cashback payments, make sure to have a valid payment method on file, such as a PayPal account or bank account. Rakuten will send you a payment notification when your cashback balance reaches the minimum payout threshold, and you can then request payment to receive your earnings. By following these steps and using Rakuten regularly, you can earn significant cashback rewards and discounts on your online purchases. Remember to always log into your account, use the browser extension, and take advantage of special promotions to maximize your earnings. With Rakuten, you can shop smarter and earn cash back on the products you love.